My name is Jacob Thoreson. I'm a double major in environmental engineering and tuba performance, which is a music major. I came to Platteville because I felt like it had the most to offer for me and the best opportunities. It had a very good engineering school. Obviously, that's something that it's very known for. And the music department, I just fell in love with. They have a great staff, great faculty, good amenities. It really fit the picture. My mom was a guidance counselor at Lake Geneva High School, and something that she always tells me is, this is part of the reason I chose Platteville, is because you really get to know your professors and really get to dig into the engineering material and what we're doing. I know I'm an environmental engineering student, so we dig into, for Intro to Infrastructure, our second year, we jump out and do a storm sewer assessment and a road assessment. I know a bigger engineering school, or a bigger school in general, and they don't even do that until they're juniors, seniors. So I definitely think Platteville was a good choice for me because we really get to experience what it's like and have a nice relationship with the professors as well. For me, that's really important. I wanted to be a name, not necessarily a number. That's something I really value at Platteville too, is almost all my engineering professors, on the first day, they go one by one and try to get our names down. So I really value that a lot. So I think music can go hand in hand with any individual specific major, and I really believe that it helps you be able to be more creative. It helps you kind of flourish and get outside of the box. And that's something that I think a lot of personal friends of mine, some engineers specifically, might be stuck in the engineering box, and they want to do what they know engineers can do as opposed to, step outside and take a chance. Many kids in STEM played band or was in choir in high school, and then they get to college and they drop it. There's no reason to. We have 2 bands here, we have an orchestra, we have small clarinet choir, brass choir. There's no reason why you can't do it. I'm a double major, I take 20 credits a semester. I really think it's something that everyone should be involved in. So I really like it as a stress reliever. It's not easy by any means, but it's really nice to go to my engineering classes and then come back and then also just be a part of the music ensemble. I also really value being able to see the final picture. So obviously with engineering, it might be a grade or a project. With music, it's a performance. So I think the benefit of that is just being able to see what you did and how much more you can grow.